it's me, Mardiya, back again. Today I tell you rainbow colors. Okay, let's start. Do you know how many colors in rainbow have? There are 7 colors in rainbow have. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay, let's start again, but this time we will tell river. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Do you know when we see the rainbow? When it is sunny and rain at the same time. And now we can see the rainbow is so beautiful and high in the sky. And I like rainbow so much. It's so beautiful and I like the colors. And I like violet and red. Top color is the red, bottom color is the violet. And these come from cloud to ground, and I like rainbow so much. Okay guys, I tell you rainbow song. Rainbow, rainbow, high and bright. Rainbow, rainbow, made of light. From the clouds down to the ground, I see colors all around. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet too. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet too. Hi guys, now I draw in my rainbow. First we have to use a pencil. The borderline line over it. We have to do the cloud first because we have to do this, so this will be easy. And we have to do after it. Now we almost done. We have to do the two-way park. There and another one. There we done the one park. Now we have to do the other park. There, now we have to do the another one. There and another one. And we have to do the 2, but we are almost done. There we go. And another last one. There we almost done the cloud. Look, my cloud is so pretty. And now I have to do the rainbow colors and drawing, of course. Now we almost done this one. And look, it's so pretty. I like this one. We have to do we have to first line the marker. So when we go to color, and we go outside, then we have to follow the marker. But first we have to do the marker. Then so the color will don't go outside, of course. There and the over it. This one. There. Now we have to do 3 because there's 7, so we have to do 3. There are a lot of trees. Okay, now we almost done. I have to do this because I'm gonna finish it. And we almost there, and there we go. And this one we have to do there. do the top. Just like a mountain, we have to do this mountain. Just like this. There we go. Now we have to do the other. Wait. Look, it's so much. I have to do the 3 left. Think. And we almost there. There, now we have to do the 3 parts of the side. Now you have to put it out to the marker, but you have to finish the line, of course. There we go. Now we have to do this one. We have to do the last one, it's a bit smaller. There, and another one, it will be small. There, now we have to draw with the marker. We have to do the marker, but look, my picture is so nice. See? Now we have to borderline to a marker. There's a marker. Now let's color this borderline to slowly, so it will be outside because it's too hard to. There. Now last thing, we have to color it up. There, first we have to need a red color. There's red. We have to do the borderline. Now let's do another one, but with another one we have to do the orange. Up, up, up. There, now let's do the orange, of course. There is my orange. Now let's do it this. Now we finished the orange. I like the blending. Then I will start the yellow. Wait. And here's my yellow. Let's start the fire. But do you know the lemon color is always light, and we don't done the rainbow color? There, we almost done. Now let's do the other one, yellow green color, and this is the green. have to start with the yellow and all. We all done? To take the blue, but it will be dark color. Now you done the blue. Now you have to do the indigo. Of course, it will be blue, but there, we almost done. I like the dark blue. Light blue and dark blue look the same color, but I like the light blue so much. And yeah, we almost done. Now we have to do the violet. Violet is called purple because this is the color of purple. It's called violet too. There, we finished the violet. I like the violet color. Now we have to do the blue because we have to do the cloud. I like the whole peak and it looks real. And I like the cloud too. Now we have to draw my signature. This. There, we done the signature, my signature, and now I can show you this. And look, it's so pretty. I like the red and I like the orange, and I like the yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I like the clouds too. It's light and so beautiful. And the top is red. This is orange and yellow, and the middle is green and blue, and they look same at it, but it's lighter. And this is the indigo, and this is the bottom side is the violet. Now, oh yes, we almost done. I like the rainbow color. Looks like it's so cool, nice and light. I want to show it. My teacher is so nice. This is my sister and this is my cousin brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Today I will tell you some colors. First we have to call Mehrima. Look, what is this color?
Red.
Good. What is this?
Orange.
What is this?
Yellow.
What is this?
Green.
What is this?
R.
What is this? Blue.
Blue.
Say it again.
Blue.
Good. What is this?
Purple.
No. This one.
Blue.
No. This is indigo. Say it again. Indigo.
Indigo.
Now Mehrima, look. Mehrima, look. What is this color?
Purple.
No, violet.
Violet.
Guys, what is this?
This is red.
Yes, what is this?
This is yellow.
No, what is this?
This is red.
Oh, what is this?
This is
Orange.
orange.
What is this?
This orange.
Hey, look, what is this? What is this? Look, look, look.
Orange.
Look, what is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. What is this?
Green.
What is this?
Blue.
What is this?
Blue.
No, it's indigo.
It's indigo.
What is this?
Purple.
No, violet.
Violet.
Mehrima, what is this?
Indigo.
Good, take it.
Thank you.
Now, what is this?
Color.
No, what is this one?
Brown.
Here, take it.
Hey,
Color. Here. Now Emma, no, don't color. Now what is this?
Yellow.
Good job, here you go. No, it's lemon, I guess. What is this?
Green.
Here, take it. Mima, what is this?
Yellow.
Good, there's two lemon yellow. And Fires, what is this?
Purple.
No, it's not purple, look.
It's blue.
Yes, here you go. Dark blue, I guess. Now, let's call Mima. Mima, what is this?
It's red.
Good, take it. What is this?
Black.
Good, take it. This is white black. Now, or Fire, Mima, what is this?
Pinks.
Good, pinks. What is this?
Green.
Good job, here you go. What is this?
Orange.
Good job, here you go. And what is this?
Blue.
Good job, here you go. Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it. If you love my video, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell. Bye. See you next time. Let's keep on playing. What is this?
Pink.
Yes, good job. Let's play.